Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to add fingerprint or how to set finger lock in your device Infinix Zero 30. But before we talk about that, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my future videos. Now watch this complete video.